Hi guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I received in the mail, oh yes, I finally received that sweet piece of mail from Bank of America and the EDD. My EDD debit card has arrived. Now, I first want to talk to you about timeline because I have been receiving so many questions about timeline because I know everybody is worried that their claim did not get sent through, their application didn't go through, or it wasn't approved. Maybe your UI online portal is one of the many portals that is experiencing technical difficulties, and it's impossible to get a hold of anyone over on the EDD phone line. So I want to talk to you about my timeline. I applied to pandemic unemployment assistance on 4/28, the day that it opened. I applied at 7 a.m. in the morning. The next day on 4/29, I logged in and I found online that I was approved. I then certified for all the weeks that were available to certify for in my portal. The next day on 4/30, I logged in and I saw that they had issued me payments. They had sent 2 payments out. Now, those payments do not get sent directly to you. You have to await your Bank of America EDD debit card to arrive in the mail. So once you see that you have had a payment initiated, EDD has dispersed those funds, the next thing for you to do is wait. You are going to receive in the mail first, your pandemic award letter. That is going to state that you were approved by the EDD for PUA, and it's going to state your benefit amount, your weekly benefit amount. Now, that letter is going to come first, okay? Next, you will receive your EDD card in the mail. However, that comes a few days later. Now, with my particular case, I received my pandemic award letter on Monday. It is now Friday, and I received my card, okay? So it took a little while to get it. Expect your EDD debit card to take 2 weeks to arrive after you see that a payment has been initiated. So if you have been approved, your application has been approved, expect your card to arrive no earlier than 2 weeks later. My card arrived about, let's see, 1 week, about a week and a half, 10 days. I believe it's been 10 days, okay? I applied on 4/28. Today is 5/8, and I received my card. So allow 10 to 14 days after you have been approved and certified and have those certifications processed, okay? Don't start calling the EDD and bogging down their phone lines. Just wait as patiently as you can to get it in the mail. Now, there are a couple questions on exactly how to use your EDD card. So we talked about the timeline. We talked about how you get paid. You'll get paid through a Bank of America EDD card. That card has its own separate account. You do not need to have a Bank of America account yourself already. They create you a separate one for the EDD. Once that card arrives, you are going to activate the card. I'm going to show you exactly how to activate the card on screen right now. On the card, you're going to have a sticker that says that you need to activate the card. So you will go to the website that's on the sticker, and the website is www.bankofamerica.com/EDD card. All right, so once this brings you to the EDD debit card website, you are going to scroll down. You're going to click right here on Activate My Card. So you're going to click Activate My Card. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in your card number, which I will not show you. So once you enter in your card number, you're going to go ahead and click Continue. It's going to take you to this screen. You're going to click that you are not, in fact, a robot. Then you're going to click Continue. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask for some personal information to verify your identity. It's going to ask you for the expiration date month of your card, the expiration date year of your card, your social security number, and the 3-digit security code, which can be found on the back of your card. It's the last 3 numbers on the back of your card. Once you have completed that screen and you've hit continue, you're going to be asked to create a website registration. So you're going to create a username, you're going to create a password, and then you're going to re-enter your password, enter your email address, and you're going to create a security question. So what if you've already been given an EDD debit card? Well, if you have been issued a debit card within the last 3 years, the EDD is going to disperse your payments to that card, whether you have it or not. So if you don't have it anymore, you need to call Bank of America EDD services and you need to get a new card. I'm leaving the phone number for Bank of America EDD department in the video description. The EDD website, last time I checked, had the wrong phone number listed, so use the one down below. If you do have the card, that means that your payments are going to be funded there. You can go online, you can check, and you can see when they issue you your payments there. If it's been longer than 3 years, they will be sending you out a new card. Okay, so what if your certifications still say pending in your UI online portal? Well, this is the case for me too, so you're not alone. It is no secret that their system has been experiencing a lot of difficulties. They are experiencing probably every possible difficulty known to man with their process, but with certification specifically, they're not requiring you to certify for weeks up through May 9th. Because they've been having technical difficulties and people have been having issues certifying and receiving their certification paperwork and online. So if you are worried about not receiving your benefits because you haven't been able to certify, don't worry. They have got you covered. However, if you are able to certify, log in online or use their self-service phone system. I will drop the phone number in the description below. Call in and certify, or certify online, or certify in the mail as much as you can, because they're going to have to circle back and backdate certifications and collect them from you later on. So make sure that you're still keeping up with those if you're able to do so. Now, in your certifications tab on your UI online portal, you will see that, or you may see, if you're like me, that you have been paid out for certain weeks. Those payments have been initiated, whether you've received the card yet or not. And then there might be a few random weeks in there that are earlier where it still says pending. So wait it out. What I suggest you do is you send them an online message and then wait, and let's hope that they update their system. If not, if the system still isn't updated, at least you have a message pending to them, because it's going to take them about 2 weeks to get back to you. I'm going to show you next exactly how to send them that message from your UI online portal. Okay, so what if my UI online still doesn't work? Let's say you received a PUA award letter in the mail. They said, congratulations, you've been approved for this much a week. However, your UI online account is still showing $0. This is something that's very common right now that is alarming a lot of people. It's happening to lots of people. As long as you're getting paper statements in the mail, go by those. Okay? If you cannot log in on UI online to certify, use the self-service phone line, which is in the description below. Now, if your account is still not working, click Contact Us in the menu bar, just as we did with that certification message that we sent out. Click Contact Us, click UI Online Technical Assistance for the description that you need, and describe the problem to them. My UI Online portal doesn't seem to be functioning. Can we please get this fixed? And you will be helped in probably 2 weeks. So go by paper and go by mail until that point in time. All right, can I transfer funds? Yes. Once you have activated your Bank of America debit card, you can then go online and you can set up either a one-time or an automatic reoccurring transfer. I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my automatic reoccurring transfer on my screen so that you can see exactly how to automate it, so that as soon as they pay you, it initiates a transfer, and within 2 business days, you'll receive those funds transferred into your regular account. You will also be asked to create a PIN number. So once you've created your PIN, you click through to continue. Then you're going to come to a confirmation screen where you confirm all of your personal information. I'm not showing that screen right now because I don't want to share all of my personal information. I will, however, share with you my card balance, which I don't mind at all. So this card was just issued to me, and I have not all of my back pay issued here, but I do have several claims that were processed. Okay, so you will see that I have a $150 payment, a $1,500 payment, and another $1,500 payment. Now these have all been loaded onto the card. Next, I'm going to show you exactly how to do a balance transfer and how to set up a reoccurring balance transfer so that every time the EDD sends you money to your card, it is automatically transferred to your regular personal checking account. Up at the top, you're going to click on My Money. You're going to come down here, you're going to click on Transfers. You can either choose to do a one-time transfer or a reoccurring transfer. I'm going to choose to do a reoccurring transfer. Now, if you set up a reoccurring transfer, you can also, at the same point in time, activate a one-time transfer. So you can hit two birds with one stone by doing that. Now, the funds transferred may take up to 2 business days to be available in your checking or savings account. So if you need money right away, use the debit card as is to pay the bill. Okay, if you are okay waiting 2 business days for your funds to transfer, then you might want to send it over to your regular account. So before we can set, you'll notice I can't actually click on this. So before I can set up a reoccurring transfer, I have to add a transfer to account. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to be asked for my account type, my account number. I'm going to re-enter the account number. I'm going to get the routing number and re-enter the routing number. I can get all of that information from my regular bank accounts website. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Make This My Primary Account, and then I will click Continue. The next screen you're going to see is not this one. It's the one right before this one, which I'm not showing because it includes some personal information. That screen is going to ask for your contact information so that they can send you over a personal identification code, and you are going to enter in what means you prefer they send that code, email or phone, and make sure the number is correct. You're going to click Send Code, and then you will check your email or your phone for a message containing a code. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste that code right here. I'm going to click Continue. Okay, my transfer to account has been added. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the funds transfer. So I want to set up a reoccurring transfer because I want my funds to be moved without any further action. So amount type, I'm going to choose the full deposit amount, or you may select a set amount if that's your preference. Okay, we're going to choose the account that we are going to transfer the funds to, and then we're going to click Yes, I would like to add a one-time transfer of funds from my available balance. Okay, that means that we are going to add in a reoccurring transfer, but also a transfer that's going to initiate right away for the full balance of the card. So I'm going to click Continue. I'm going to select the amount of balance that I want to have as my one-time transfer. My full available balance is $3,150, and that's the amount that I want to transfer. So I'm going to type in that amount, choose the transfer to account. Okay, if you're wondering if there's going to be a fee for this, okay, there is going to be no fee for an ATM withdrawal. There's going to be no fee for a teller withdrawal. There is going to be a $15 fee for an emergency cash transfer. There will be no customer service fee, no online account information fee, no ATM balance fee. Online funds transfer, 0 fee. Replacement card for domestic shipping, 0 fee. Replacement card express delivery, $10 fee. Replacement card international, $10 fee. Okay, so what we're doing right now is an online funds transfer. There is no fee for this. So if you're worrying about accruing a fee for doing a transfer, don't worry. Go ahead and click Continue. Okay, and it's going to go ahead and verify all my information here. Okay, we have a recurring transfer and a one-time transfer. Okay, I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. I'm going to click Continue. Okay, and I have successfully submitted my funds transfer request and it's being processed. All right, hope that was helpful. All right, you guys, I really hope this was helpful. I know there's a lot of confusion. If you missed any step along the way, I have videos of every single step of my EDD application. There's a how to file video, a what happens after you file video, a how to certify video, and a frequently asked questions video. Additionally to that, I'm trying my very best to be as active in the comments as I possibly can. I know that there's a lot of confusion out there right now. While I am not a CPA, I'm not an attorney, I do not work for the EDD. I can help you on a peer-to-peer basis from one self-employed person to the next. I hope that this has been helpful. I am trying my hardest to get up to 1,000 subscribers this week, so I would be so grateful that if my videos were helpful to you, that you share the link and request subscribers to help me out. Thanks so much, you guys. I'll see you next time.